Oh, may have recorded, may have not recorded. Let's do it again. Starting with all the baby cows. Because the mama cows are already up. Sorry about that. And grazing. Got the cotton candy sky, but too much humidity to see the mountains. It is a gorgeous morning. And no mountains nowhere. I figure I'll keep this up until I get comfortable, and then I'll keep it up until I get good. But right now it's still point and shoot. New surface on the driveway is doing good. There's no standing water anywhere. I think we will be able to not be stuck in here now when it rains. Unless it rains so much that the roads flood out again like last year. That was exciting. Not. Waiting for everything to dry up a little bit from the rain last night. Oh, look, there's a little bit of mountain right there. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. I'm juggling coffee. There it is. Just a little bit of sunrise. Whoops. Sorry, guys. A little bit of sunrise on the top behind the cloud. Still waiting for David to come home. He'll get here any minute now. But, excuse me. Sun's starting to touch stuff. If I go this way, without doing it really fast, I think you can see the first of... There we go. Whoops. Sorry, guys. That's not going to work. There we go. That little spot of yellow that I am not even going to zoom in on is the first of the sunflower flowers. Oh, and there he is. I can see the car. He'll be home in about 5 minutes, I think. Not less than that. It's closer than I thought. But it's some very fine gravel. Doesn't look like much, but it's a start. The hops are all doing pretty good. Garden stuff got started transferring into the main yard. I'll get the garden in before the next 2 months, but at this point with the rain and the wet and gonna flood and whatever, we'll just let it keep going. Like I said, just to repeat myself, I'm just gonna put these up here and not edit or anything. It's a point and shoot. And I'm going to let you go and say hi to my dear husband. Later.